Senkos, we got
Scales.
scales. Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the fishing lure challenge. So basically, we're blindfolded by this orange towel thing and a bandana, and we just pick, the other person picks any kind of fishing tackle that is laid out on this table right here, and you pick it. The other person is blindfolded. You put it in their hand, and if they guess it right or guess it wrong, that's up to them. Okay, so you have three rounds, or no, 5 rounds. Let's say 5 rounds. 5 rounds. First 1 to 3 wins.
Okay.
All right.
My turn. I'm gonna pick the first item, and he's gonna guess it. There. There's the other camera. There. Okay, ready?
Nice and easy on my hand. Don't hook me.
There's hooks here. Warning. Just letting you guys know.
This is a deep diving
Alright.
crankbait.
Alright, number 1. Pretty good. Okay, now he picks for me. Give me that blindfold.
Alright, so when he is getting on this thing, we're going to get started here shortly.
Okay.
Alright, shortly has been done. Okay.
Shortly's been done.
Alright. Oh. He's never going to get this.
Something from the left.
Doubt it.
Obviously not. Dude, this is scary. Because I could hook myself. I don't want that to happen. Okay. It's a spinner.
Yeah.
It's a spinner with a fly on it.
Nope.
It's not?
Trout lure.
Trout lure. Close enough.
1-0. Start it. Every time I put this on, I feel like Rambo. You know?
Yep. Okay, we're gonna go for another one. He's at 1, I'm at 0, correct?
Yep.
Okay, this is gonna get a little harder, alright? Got that over there. Okay, so here we go. Ready for this?
Easy, bro. It's a weight.
What type of weight?
Come on, dude. It's a weight that it's ocean fishing weight. You put it on the end with a slip knot attached to it, and then this sits on the ocean floor.
What's a slip knot?
I get the point.
Okay, yeah, you get so 2-0. Do something? Oh! Okay, so right here, this is some sort of diver. It's definitely, it's got a hook right here. It swims like this, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so this is a bass lure.
I mean, it could be used for bass.
There's a pike.
Anything, really.
So yeah, it's like one of those with treble hooks, and it's like got half the body unconnected. It's green.
That's pretty much it right there.
Green or orange?
Orange.
Got it. Whatever the heck that thing is.
Let me just flip the switch real quick.
Okay, we got it. So here we go. I don't know what the name of this is. The general thing, you get it.
Ow. Oh, it's a diver. Next one. I think that's a dub for me.